guys, what we're going to do now, I've got the twin 825 pillar linking kit, and we're going to connect it together using the two side bottom outlets. Okay, so what we get with our twin pack linked kit is the connection kit for the tank, so a length of pipe and two male threaded compression fittings. Now we also get a 3/4 inch tap kit for one of our raised outlets, so that's a lovely brass tap and a reducer to take you up to the 3/4 inch thread, just like that. Now we seal these threads with PTFE tape. What you also get is a 1 inch shut-off valve for one of your bottom outlets. Okay guys, so what we're going to do is, first of all, we're going to just put some PTFE tape on the male thread of our compression fittings. So pop it on like that, and around we go. We're going to go for about half a dozen layers, something like that. Nice and neat and tidy. And then he screws into one of the bottom outlets on your tank. Obviously make sure that you've drilled the plastic plug inside the thread first. Nice and tight, just like that. Okay, now we're going to just repeat the process on our second tank. So again, half a dozen layers of PTFE tape, something like that. And then screw it in, hand tight, into, just like that. Okay guys, now we're going to connect our pipe. So we're going to unscrew the blue part of our compression fitting, and you'll see there's a white collar inside as well. What we want to do is feed the blue part onto our pipe and then the white part onto our pipe. Now we're going to insert the pipe into the compression fitting. There's a little rubber O-ring you need to push it past, just like that. Nice and firmly seated. Butt the white piece up against the black thread, and then we're going to screw our blue compression fitting on. Again, hand tight. Just like that. And now we're going to do the same again on the other tank. So again, unscrew our blue piece. We've got that white collar inside. And we're going to screw the blue onto the pipe and the white onto the pipe. And then the pipe is going to get fed into our compression fitting. All the way in, just like that. Butt the white up to the black. And then screw that blue piece on nice and tight, and away you go. Okay, right guys, what we're going to do now is we're going to fit our shut-off valve to one of our other bottom outlets. So the first thing we're going to do, seal up all these threads with some PTFE tape. We'll start with the big 1 inch thread that's going to go into the tank. So, and again on the other side of this, just like that. Nice and tight. Now we've got this plastic piece is going into the other end of the valve. So a little bit of tape. And again on the other side, and into the valve we go. Once that's nice and tight, you can screw in your brass snap-on hose connector onto the end, and then our valve is ready to screw into our tank. It's fine, and away we go. Alright guys, what we're going to do now is we're going to fit our tap to our 3/4 inch raised outlet at the front of our tank. So we're going to take our PTFE tape, cover the thread of our tap with about half a dozen layers, and then this screws into your brass reducer. Now a bit more PTFE tape. Again, make sure that you've drilled out this plastic plug inside the thread, and then this is ready to screw into your tank.